Next is moving an icon. To move an icon to the desired location, click on the icon, hold the left mouse button and drag the icon to the desired location. After this, release the mouse button. Now as you can see, this icon is shifted from this source position to destination position. Next is hiding icons. To hide the desktop icons, right click on the blank area, then click on the view, then in this sub menu choose show desktop icon. You have to uncheck it. This will hide all the desktop icons. Now if you want to see these icons again, then again do the same procedure, view, then show desktop icons. Now you can see all the icons are visible. Next is opening an application. You can simply double click on an icon to open any application, or another way is select the icon and press enter key. Okay, these are the two ways of opening any application. Next is your taskbar. Where is the taskbar? Taskbar lies at the bottom of the desktop. This is the second component. Here we have the start button, then this portion is called as the quick launch bar, then this plain portion is known as the main taskbar. Then here we have notification area. In the notification area we have the date and time also, and at the last we have show desktop button. Next I'll tell you how to change the wallpaper. To change the wallpaper, right click on the blank area, then click on personalize, then we have this option desktop background. Click on it, then here in the picture location choose some option where we have the images. Now choose any one of these. I am choosing this tulip. Now save changes and close it. As you can see, the wallpaper is set. Now similarly we can change the screensaver also, or we can set a screensaver if it is not saved. Screensaver is used when the computer is on but is not in use for a while. So how to apply screensaver? Right click on the blank area, then choose personalize, then here choose the option screensaver, and now in this it is written none. Now choose any one option, like I am choosing ribbon. If you want to see the preview, you can click here preview. It will look like this. Now press enter key to exit. Now here we have the wait box in which we have to enter the time, that is 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute and so on. This time will decide after how many minutes the screensaver is to be displayed when the computer is not in use. Now click on apply and OK. Now next is your power modes. To see the power modes, click on the start button, and this is shutdown, this is a power mode. And to see more power modes, click here. As you can see, switch user, log off, lock, restart, sleep, all these are the power modes of the computer. Shutdown mode is used when the computer is not to be used for a large period of time, this shutdown mode. Okay, this mode shuts down the computer completely after closing all the open applications and document. So if I don't want to use computer anymore, I will shut it down. Okay, now children, I hope you have understood the working of Windows 7. Thank you class.